Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can add a reflection to our designs like I have done on the image on the screen. First things we need to do is we need to select a custom size for our design, so I'm just going to use 21 by 11. Then in the elements section we need to look for a photo. I'm just going to select this other blue car here. We don't need the background, so head over to the background remover. This is a Canva Pro feature because it does have the little crown symbol there. If you're not currently subscribed to Canva Pro and you would like to give it a try for 30 days, there is a link in the description. If you click on that, then that will give you a free trial. Once we've removed the background, we then need to head down to the apps option, and in the search bar we are going to type in easy, and we want this first one, easy reflections. Then we're going to select the first option and we need to create a reflection. And there we can see now that it's flipped our car, which is what we want. You can change the position of the reflection, but we want ours to be below. Then we just need to have a bit of a play about with the offset. So I'm going to keep the offset to be 50, but I'm going to change the opacity down a little bit. We don't want it to be too bright. Once we're happy with what we've set our offset and opacity to be, select add to design. There we can see now that's popped that on our design, but as we can see it's really small. I would now advise flipping the car to be vertical, and we're going to try and line it up against the car that we've already got to try and make it a very similar size to make it look more realistic. So we can play about with it, and there we can see from the lines it snapped it in place. And once we've done that, we're going to flip it vertically again, and that's going to allow us to place our reflection underneath our car. Then once we're happy with the positioning of it, if you want to have a better effect, then you can change the background colour. So if we change it to a grey colour, then that's going to allow us to see the reflection a little bit better. You can even change it to black. You can change it to whichever colour you want that will suit your design. Really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to add a reflection to your designs. Don't forget to click on the link to try out Canva Pro for free, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.